Successful Soul, this is Jen Lillian helping online spiritual coaches with their online spiritual coaching business to supercharge their results in the next 90 days or less to success. Now, I would like to share with you my recent client. This is John, and he had a series of gyms, offline and online, and he was quite put off by advertising agencies just because he was burnt in the past. So when John and I started to work together, he was very pleasantly surprised that actually marketing and advertising by Facebook is definitely worthwhile doing. And I just want to share with you his words, in his way, the success story he felt he had in his business once we put a campaign together, and then he saw results in his business. So he was quite a hard nut to crack, I must admit, but now he is in favour of Facebook marketing and advertising for his business. So here we are, here's his success story in his own words, and I will catch you in the next video.
I have been working in gyms for many years, and I love working with gyms, love working with people. I absolutely detest marketing. I'm also, not naturally gifted at marketing anyway. What I found in the past as well is that I've been burnt a couple of times working with a couple of agencies who promise that they can do this and that for you, can get you steady leads, and it made me very skeptical about maybe working again in that area. But I always thought there was something in it, to know that I don't have to think about it and I can just focus on the fitness side of things, and working with people is just a huge relief, to find somebody that actually knows what they're doing. And it's, for me, been a real game changer, because it's totally changed the way that I work. I'd totally recommend just having a chat with Jen. She's no nonsense. There's nothing. There's no side to her. She's not full of rubbish. I totally recommend her. Just give her a call.
Many thanks for watching this video. If you're a coach, healer, therapist or practitioner and would like to supercharge your online coaching business, then feel free to hit the link below in the description box where you can receive the Successful Six-Figure Soul Roadmap and Training. It walks you through step by step on how to start, build and grow your online coaching business to success. See you in the next video.